Good morning, class. So at this point we are looking at measurement. We're looking at skill 4. On page 85, is that correct? The question says, the area of shapes with straight sides. Okay. So the first shape is what type of shape is the first one? It's a rectangle. Alright. How do you calculate the area of a rectangle? Length times width. So what's the length? 6 times 14. And 14 times 6 is 24. 84, is that correct? 84 centimeters squared, since it's 2 dimensional. There's a length and a breadth. Okay? What type of shape is in B? A triangle. How do you calculate the area of a triangle? Half base times perpendicular. What does perpendicular mean to say? It's setting 90 degrees to the base. Perpendicular to the base. No? So we go half. What's my base? What's the base? 12 times the height, which is 7. That's naturally over 1. So 2 going to 2 ones. 2 going to 12. 6 times 7 is 42 meters squared. People, what if this units was not the same? I would have needed to get it the same. But in both cases, it was given the same. Is there any confusion there? Any confusion? No. Let's go to skill 5. Skill 5. Composite area. So what do we find here? What type of shape is this? It's a trapezium, not so. What makes it a trapezoid or a trapezium? There's one pair of parallel sides. Okay. Now at this point you guys were not explained how to calculate the area of a trapezium yet. Not so. However, I can cut this up into basic shapes. I cut this down here. Then I actually got the area of the shaded region. It's going to be a rectangle measuring 10 by 5 plus a triangle. What's the dimensions on this triangle? What is that length? 2. If this is the same as that then this has to be 10. 2 together it makes 12. Not so. What's the height of this piece, the perpendicular height? 5. You guys understand? So let's go. How do you calculate the area of a rectangle? 10 times width. How do you calculate the area of a triangle? Of base times perpendicular height. So I go length times breadth is going to be 5 times 10, which is 15. Not so. Plus a half. What's the base? 2. And the height is 5. What's 5 times 10? 50 plus. That cancels. Leave you with 5. What's 50 plus 5? 55 meters. Will any confusion there? This is skill 5, no? Okay. Let's look at the next one. What do you notice here? Again, we got 2 shapes. Not so. However, the area of the shaded region here will be made up how? It's a rectangle. Measuring 6 by 4. Not so? But what do you notice about this? The triangle is actually cut out of that. You all understand? So do I add or subtract? Subtract the area of a rectangle. A triangle. A triangle measures 3 by 2. Again, how do I calculate the area of a rectangle? Length times breadth. Area of a triangle of base times perpendicular. So what's my length? 6. My breadth? 4. Minus of, what's my base? 3. What's the height? You guys understand? 6 times 4? 24 minus. Half times 2 is 1. Times 3, which is 21 meters squared. Any confusion here, people? Now we volume of solids. How do you calculate the volume of a rectangular prism? Length times breadth times height. And that is what? 3-dimensional. There's a length, a breadth, and a height. Okay. So, the question says calculate the volume of these boxes. The volume is going to be length times breadth times height. What's your length? 10 meters. Times the breadth, 5 meters. Times the height, 3. It's going to be 15, so it's 150 meters cubed. Any confusion there? You will understand. B. Again, it's a box, so the volume is going to be length times breadth times height. What's the length? 6 times the breadth, 3 times the height. 8 times 6 is 48, not so. Times 3, 24, 12, 14, 144. Is that correct? Meters. Okay, any confusion there? No? Okay, capacity. Did you need to do this? No. So for homework, I would like you guys to complete skill 7 till the end. I think there's 10, huh? So it's 7, 8, 9 and 10. The last 4 skills for tomorrow, please. Okay? You guys will be tested up until the end of this chapter. Okay? So at this point, I'm going to stop the video.